Make sure your power's turned off. You'll screw the base in. This is just a plain LED light bulb right here. This is your IHaper socket. Turn the power on. You'll see that there's a blue light that's fixing to start flashing. Now we're ready to go right over here and open up the IHaper app. I'm going to go up here to the plus sign. You want to hit add accessory. This right here is going to take you over to the camera, where you'll hang it down here and scan the QR code. And then allow. It's connected. It's going to turn on and off. Hey Siri, turn off light bulb.
Okay, the light bulb is off.
Hey Siri, turn on light bulb.
Okay, the light bulb is on.
Alright, here goes my review of this product. Sorry for the company that sent it to me, but I'm not happy with it. So I can control it with Siri. I can say, hey Siri, turn the bedroom light on, turn the bedroom light off, but I want to connect this to my Google Home, Alexa. I can't get it to work.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. But I can't get it to work. I've been in here for hours. I'm not going to spend any more time doing it. This is one of those products that you would go buy at the store and you're like, this is awful. So sorry for the company that sent it to me, but this is my honest review. If you just want to use it with your Siri, it's great. But if you want to connect it to your Google Home, it's not. And nowhere in the instruction book have I been able to find anywhere where it tells me how to connect this to the Wi-Fi. I've Googled it. I've searched through the book. I've tried so many different things. I've been in here for hours trying to do this, and I can't get it to do it. So what I'm going to leave you with is this. Alexa, play me a song that sucks.
Here's a station you might like. Snoop Dogg on Amazon Music.
And that's it. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.